I'm going to walk you through the Merit collection. This is not working, so I'm going to do this again. Sorry. Hi, I'm Alessandra Codinha. I'm a writer and an editor, and I'm going to walk you through my really easy, really fast beauty routine using Merit's products. The whole collection is really clean, it's really subtle, it's super easy to work with, and I know that because I am not really a makeup expert. I'm just somebody who wears makeup, who wants to look like themselves, only a little bit better. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna conceal, and I love this stuff. It's called the Minimalist. My shade is Sand. And you really just sort of go over the little spots that are uneven, or maybe, you know, things you wanna draw less attention to. For me, that's down the center of my face, right up here, around the eyes a little bit. And it really glides on so beautifully, blends really nicely. And it's so light that it doesn't feel like it's smothering your skin. It just sort of glides into it. Really beautiful. And to blend it in, you're gonna use this brush number 1. I have really reactive skin, and this doesn't, you know, make it red or angry or anything. And then we're gonna do blush, and this is this amazing Flush Balm. My color's Cheeky, and it's really great because it's a cream, but it looks like a stain. You sort of put it on and blend it in with your fingers. Ugh, I love this. Do a little bit across the bridge of your nose, everywhere the sun goes. And if you feel like it's too much, and I tend to go a little bit too much because I really love blush, it blends in really nicely and it'll sort of soak in a little bit, so that's good. You don't have to worry. And then next up we're gonna highlight, and this is called Day Glow. It's just the most easy, natural highlight. Highlighter is really a gift. You know, even if you have nothing else, you can just put on concealer and highlighter and you look 10 times better. Super pretty. So next we're gonna do the brows, and I have quite a strong brow situation, but a little help never hurts. And this is Brow 1980, and the color is black brown. Just gonna gently sort of make sure everything is where you want it to be. Mine are a little bit wonky because that's genetics for you, but you know, this helps. And then we're gonna do mascara. And mascara is pretty much the fastest way to go to looking awake without turning on an espresso machine. And this one is lovely. It really just glides on. You can build on it all day. So if you want to add a little bit more later, you can do that. Easy peasy. And then for lip, I love the shade Slick in Taupe because it's pretty much like a slightly prettier version of my actual lip color. It just goes right on, super moisturizing, super clean formula, really blends beautifully, really light, really easy. Perfect. And we are done. Super quick, really easy, clean, pretty, ready to go.